In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch Golden Globes 2026 in the US and internationally, time and channel app. In the United States, the red carpet coverage begins around 6 p.m. Eastern Time, featuring star arrivals, stunning fashion, and exclusive interviews. The best way to watch this is on E! Networks live from E! Golden Globes 2026, which streams live on cable or through Peacock, which lets you watch the red carpet on tablet or smart TV with a compatible plan. For free access, Variety's YouTube channel also streams the red carpet live starting around 6:30 p.m. Eastern, giving you behind the scenes moments and celebrity interviews as they happen. The main Golden Globe ceremony starts at 8 p.m. Eastern Time and airs on CBS. If you don't have cable, you can stream the awards so via Paramount Plus Premium or through live TV streaming services like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Fubo TV, or Direct TV Stream, which all carry CBS. International viewers can also watch the event via Variety's YouTube stream for red carpet coverage and on the official Golden Globe social media channels, including Instagram, TikTok, X, and Threads, where clips, interviews, and backstage highlights are shared in real time. Whether you are in the US or anywhere in the world, this guide ensures you don't miss a single glamorous arrival, shocking award announcement, or unforgettable red carpet moment at the 2026 Golden Globes. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.